Welcome back to On My Channel. Now stop scrolling because in the next few seconds you'll witness the most shocking crashes, the funniest driver failures, and the most satisfying moments of instant karma on the road. Don't go anywhere. This is where cars and comedy collide. The way this woman parks her tractor, you'd think she's filming a movie scene. A car takes a hit, but she doesn't even look back. Now that's what we call parking with overconfidence. This delivery boy learns a brutal lesson in road anger. Watch his instant regret when his bike gets crushed after challenging a larger vehicle, proving that rage always loses in the end. When this heated argument turns into a full-on fight, these women forget the road and start their own drama. Thank goodness the crowd jumps between them before it becomes a wrestling match. When you illegally stop traffic and then commit road rage, this man receives a quick dose of karma that leaves his bike totaled and his ego shattered. This delivery boy on ice deserves an award. He can't climb, he can't stand, but that package, perfectly delivered, respect for the effort. When you are absolutely certain you don't trust the engine, this woman driver innovates a new, low-speed method of parking that is pure dedication to the struggle. When rage takes over, this man declared war on his own vehicle. But this shocking destruction begs the question, was it worth the felony? Wait, this moment turns from a simple climb to a nightmare. When speed meets ice, control disappears and danger races faster than the car itself. Why use a door when you can become a human noodle? This genius driver ignores empty space to perform a comedy struggle, turning a simple park into a slapstick show. What's this, heartbreak, revenge, or just morning madness? This woman turned one car into a coffee-flavored crime scene. Watch the most craziest parking revenge in history. This genius driver cuts a blocking car in half with a metal cutter, then fixes it so perfectly that the owner drives off with only the front part. When you try to teach someone a lesson with a hot coffee, be ready for physics to teach you one back. Watch this driver get a face full of regret. Wait, this moment turns from a simple climb to a nightmare. When speed meets ice, control disappears and danger races faster than the car itself.